Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified each time I post a video. In today's video, we're going to be trying out different beauty hacks that have to do with these brows. We're going to be trying to get those model brows that we see on Instagram that are not so defined, like just those brows that we see that have like strokes. Now I have different gels with me because I'm always like, everything that has to do with brows is always like brow gel. We have brow gel, so why can't you just use like the regular gel? So I have edge control, I have the regular gel, I have eco styler. I also have with me soap. I also have soap. I've also seen like where they use soap as a hack for those kind of stuff. So I have soap, I have mascara. I've also seen that. So I'll be comparing it with this my brow gel that I have, Colourpop Brow Boss in dark brown. I've already sprayed my MAC Fix Plus. So the first step is to glow your skin. I sprayed this MAC Fix Plus and I sprayed this glow spray. So I believe I'm glowing. Let me zoom in. Anything you people see, take it. Anything you see on my forehead, just ignore and be looking at my brows, okay? Okay? Alright. Okay, we're up close and personal. I'm going to be starting with this Eco Styler, this black one. And this is what it looks like inside. So what I'm going to use is my mascara wand. So the idea is to brush it up. I know I don't really have like a lot of brows, but you know. Okay, this is not even doing anything. Whoa. Okay, it's now that it's applying. This is the best I could get. I feel like this gel is not strong enough and it's going to like, it's not going to stay there. So this was not a pass. So next, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Brow Boss for this one. And that's like the benchmark I'm going to use for all the others. I'm only going to be changing on this side. I think it's holding up a bit. This did a lot better than this. The brow gel did a lot better than this. You guys see? Okay, this could pass for model brows, honestly. I have never used this brow gel just like that. I always draw my brows and then I use it on top, and I used to take it for granted. Like I didn't feel like it was doing a lot, but using it alone, I can actually go out with my brows like this. It made it come out a bit fuller and, you know, more modelly. I'm going to clean up this one and use the next product. The next thing we're going to be trying out is the soap. I believe this soap stands a high chance of performing really well against the brow gel, because I see a lot of people using it. Normally you're supposed to use like a translucent soap, something that's not going to give color, but I don't think the color in this is going to show if it's little. So to make use of a soap, the first thing is to dip the mascara one in water. Okay, and then you know you need to remove the excess water, and then after you remove the excess water, you're going to rub it. So you rub it and make sure you get a decent amount of soap on it. Guys, are you seeing this magic? I feel good that I'm trying this out for the first time on camera. Like, this is my first impression. This is my legit first impression. Now, take note of the fact that this one has some color. So that's why you're seeing that there's a color here. But this legit holds your brows upwards. Like, it holds it right there. Are you guys seeing? Like, for someone like me that has non-existent brows, like, my brows are not so full. So if you're going out, I don't know how this works. If you're going out, like, you're just going out on the road, you're just going to wherever you're going to. I don't know how this works. If you get to sweat, you know, I don't know if it's going to, like, lather on your face. But I think that's why it's mainly for models. They are going to stay indoors. It's just for a shoot. So after that, they don't really need to get sweaty. So let's move over to the next. So the next thing is this vintage styling gel. This is just a regular gel. I got this gel 17 naira. That's less than $1. Okay, I think this one held up pretty well, like really well. It held up really well, and the color of this gel also contributed to the outcome, because this gel is black and it looks black on the skin, so it also contributed to it. But I don't know the content, so I can't really advise that you use this. I don't think there's need to use the edge control because I feel like it's going to be like the other gels I've used. So let me just move over to the mascara. This part is pretty exciting. I see a lot of people using mascara, and I'm like, what is it doing to them? The mascara I'm using is from Zara Cosmetics. They are lengthening mascara. It has a thin mascara one. That's why I'm using it. So it's easy to use. Are you seeing? Oh my god, this is too dark. I can't use this ever. I think this would pass for, like, if I'm creating I'm trying to transform myself into a guy and I want to look like a guy and I want my brows to be very full. This can pass for that because it has completely changed the way my brows look. At this point, you have to ignore how I'm looking because of how this brow is. But based on all the things I used, the soap worked best, and I'm happy that the soap did a very good job because it's something that you can always get, so you can work. But the bad thing about the soap idea is that I don't know how long it's going to last, and I don't know at what point. I don't know what point you get to before you start to lather on your eyes. I don't know if that is going to happen. I don't know if it has such an effect. I just tried it out today for the first time, so you have to be the one to test it yourself. But if you're working on a model or you just want to do a photo shoot, then that is like the perfect substitute for a brow gel. You can even use it in place of a brow gel because this brow gel now has some colors. If you have really full brows and you use this brow gel that has colors, it might be too much. So all you need is something that's transparent that's going to raise your brows. That soap works best. What else? I don't really have any other thing to say in this video. I'm not doing my makeup today. This is how I'm going to leave you guys. Bye guys. I love you. I love you. I love you.